Now this 10-pack of flash drives from Enfane is perfect because formatting in FAT32 and a memory of 32 gigabytes or less is essential when it comes to player pianos. Some digital pianos do not operate well within USB flash drives with a storage greater than 32 gigabytes. That's why it's essential to carry around these simple flash drives wherever you might misplace them, or should I say store them. I never seem to have enough of these. Between getting misplaced or not spreading enough around inside my toolkit, car, office, what have you, I always find myself digging for a simple USB flash drive. I've probably bought about 5 or 6 packs of these just because I have so many customers working with their player pianos and they need the latest software for their instrument. Now think, do you really need a USB flash drive for a Yamaha keyboard? Well, the most common reason that you'll need a USB thumb drive is for the software updates, to record songs on the piano, and transferring player piano data before an upgrade. So say when you're upgrading from a DKC 900 to a Mark IV, you must save that data so that you can transfer it to your DKC 900 via a flash drive. Those are only 4 different ways that you can use these flash drives, but I assure you, you will burn through many of them and could definitely use this 10-pack. I know that I have, and I just keep buying these. If I were you, I would just go with this simple 10-pack because you know it has the flash drives that are on the smaller side that you can make sure are compatible with your piano.